Over the recent years, the demand for yoga studios and inner peace have increased, creating a more competitive nature in the market. Learn how yoga keywords can help you stay ahead of your competition. There's no denying that yoga has become a big thing in America, creating a more competitive atmosphere in the market. But despite high demand, competition is still competition, with thousands of providers around catching and retaining the attention of your target market, unless you can leverage your yoga studio to its full advantage. Hey guys, welcome to Creative. Here we use our passion for the game to change the game. Every week we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. And today we'll be discussing how to leverage yoga keywords for your yoga studio. Revolutionize the game, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. Yoga means big business in America, with an average practitioner spending at least an average of $62,000 over their lifespan on classes, workshops, as well as accessories. It's pretty obvious, Americans have fallen into the love with yoga. It's actually where I met my wife, and it's not entirely surprising to know why. A few of the more common reasons why people like the fitness regime is because it helps them become stronger both physically and mentally, and helps them unplug from their devices. And with a bright looking future, it didn't take a while for the marketplace to be saturated. And nowadays, there are about thousands of providers in the US alone, meaning while inner peace is becoming more available to everyone, the competition is getting fiercer as time goes by. While it's true that there are hundreds of people interested in wellness practice, gaining and maintaining their attention to your business alone will be hard. Thankfully, the internet has provided yoga vendors with a plethora of ways to connect with their consumers and build a relationship with them. So let's talk about leveraging online search in promoting your wellness studio. Search engine optimization is considered to be one of today's most effective digital marketing strategies. The process was developed to increase and improve the quality as well as the quantity of the traffic a website receives. Basically, SEO is all about making your website and its content attractive to the search engine enough for it to put you on the top of the search results. But how does SEO actually help ventures like yours stay ahead of their competition? Search engines have become the yellow pages of modern consumers. If they need to look for something, they'll probably end up using search engines like Google. And if you're not there, then you'll be missing out on tons of organic traffic. Another advantage online search offers to the table is credibility and trust. Nowadays, consumers are skeptical of businesses they can't find online. But if your site is easily accessible through the search engine, it elicits a sense of credibility from your brand. Granted that your site is not only accessible, but also informative and useful. Now, there are a lot of factors that could impact the site or page's ranking, such as your site's overall web design, as well as the content it shares with the rest of the world. But one major factor people often put their focus in is finding the right keywords. The right words matter. Besides basically acting as a target which you can aim your content towards, it gives you a better idea of what your target market wants and needs, as well as which groups of people are actually interested in your services. Not only will the right keywords lead you to the right people, but it's actually a powerful market research tool that can be used in various ways besides SEO. It'll help you understand your target market better and gain insights of the true search intent of your users. Now, how do you actually find the right keywords to use? The first thing you need in order to find the right yoga keywords is to do your keyword research. While Google has limited the data you can find around keywords, they still offer a keyword planner that you can use for free to look into the highest ranking search terms for your industry. Besides using tools, you can also conduct a little competitive analysis to see which search terms are being used by your competitors. List all of your chosen terms down and start dividing them between two categories: buying intent and research intent. For example, buying intent: yoga dress pants, best yoga mats for seniors, local yoga classes for beginners, yoga for senior classes. Now, research intent would be yoga for back pain, health benefits of yoga, yoga versus CrossFit. Once you've started conducting keyword research, don't forget to include search terms. Pick out yoga keywords that are associated with your location. It'll help you create a Google My Business page in the long run and will ensure that your business will be featured during geographical searches for keywords like best yoga studios near me, or local yoga classes for beginners. When you've done your keyword research, you can start working on your content. Keep in mind that your keywords are meant to act as the foundation of your content. Further research conducted on LSI terms, which are related terms, as well as secondary keywords, will provide you a better idea on which subtopics you need to discuss. If you need more help in developing content, check out our content marketing videos. We hope you guys loved today's video, and if you want to learn more about the great solutions that can truly change the game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. It really helps out the channel. Now, this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.